Hey, what's up people, welcome back to my channel. This is a boy Avijoy here, back again with another video. So in this video I will show you a site that you can get softwares that you use daily purpose, especially on your academic careers like or professional work, for free. Yeah, for free. So the link will be given in the description, and also not this one. Also, if you are new here onto the channel, so then you please might have love to subscribe to my channel, and we come up with the contents like this. So now let's get back to the video title. So the site name is Get Into PC. The link will be given in the description. So on the first you can see Get Into PC, download free your desired app. This is the site, and yeah, it looks simple, but it has pretty much unique softwares that you might have used or want to use on your future, that one. So you can see first here Autodesk, AutoCAD, Register Design 2020, it is here. You can see software categories: 3D analysis, 3D animation, CAD, designing, modeling, printing, accounting, ad blocker analysis, anti backup recovery, biomedical, Bluetooth, burning, circuit design, etc., databases, desktop, drivers, fonts, HTML5, maps, operating systems, photo editing, stimulation, surveillance, video converter, etc. So now here I will search for a software named Cisco Packet Tracer. Software like the designing a network. You can see here Cisco Packet Tracer. You can click on it, and here you can see the Cisco Packet Tracer 6.1 2016 edition is there. Here the features of the Cisco Packet Tracer is on the software is given, the Packet Tracer technical details setup, and here how to install this setup. Just click on this download, and here it is waiting. Your request will be granted from Linux server. I don't know if this is a ad or what. No, this is not a ad. And now you can see the Get Into PC Cisco Packet Tracer is up on my screen, and now I am not downloading the software, so I don't need it right now. So like that you can download many other software. Let me search. So now let me search for Photoshop, and here you can see the Photoshop CC20 free download is there. You can see about the Photoshop CC and how to install, download a 64-bit version. Get Into PC. I'm just checking up to it if it is giving you the download option or not. Getintopc.com Adobe Photoshop 2020 version is available, and you can download it. The file is downloading. It is of 2.0 GB and 3 hours left. My internet is not that much speed, so I will now not download it. And let's check another, if Adobe. So this was the Adobe Photoshop CC20, Adobe Acrobat Reader is also there, Adobe Photoshop Lightroom, Adobe XD Adobe After Effects, Adobe Premiere Pro 2020 is also available, and it is added 2 weeks ago. So like this, here you can also download the antivirus, and I haven't used any of the antivirus yet. You can see Kaspersky, McAfee. So you can check the site out and download free your desired app, as the site also says. So get into your PC and subscribe to my channel, and make that red subscribe gray, and I will catch you guys in the next video. That's what it. Bye bye. See ya. Peace.